guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your own Word document after typing your document in Microsoft Word. Is it your cover letter? Is it your CV? Is it an application letter? Most companies demand people to send document PDF, okay? And now the problem is now some of you are asking, how did I convert this document to PDF? Some have to carry it online to some website to be able to do the conversion. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can do this alone after typing immediately on your computer. Then you are going just to from your computer and convert this document directly into PDF, and you'll be able to send it to your company or to wheresoever without having any problem. So now, one of the things that we have to understand about PDF as we are moving is now PDF means portable document format. Okay, so this, when you convert a document to this particular format, it is very difficult for that document to get scattered, okay, or to be affected by a virus or to be edited in any way. So once the document is typed in that particular form, it goes exactly in the format in which it's being created. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be training you on how you can create your own PDF document after typing it directly in your computer without passing through any software, and you will not have difficulties in which when you send document to somebody, the chapter 1 will move down to chapter 2 and chapter 2 will be on the last page while the last page comes to the middle. Okay, so follow me step by step as we run this tutorial, and this is also going to help you in such a way that if you create your own CV in Microsoft Word, you'll be able to convert it to PDF and send to your company, to your hiring company, or your application. You send it without any obstruction, given the fact that most of these companies always demand it to come in PDF. Okay, so also you realize that at times, most often when you send a document in Microsoft Word format directly to somebody, yeah, maybe you are applying for a job, you don't get called because why? Before your CV arrives at the destination, maybe down due to network, everything has been offsetted. Okay, maybe your name has been moved into part by part, your email address is not still organized. So when you follow this tutorial, and you will now be able to convert your own personal documents into PDF after creating it in Microsoft Word, that means you are already 100% free now to send documents online and receive. Also, we have created we have a video that explains how to send email address, how to send and receive email. So if you don't know how to do this, especially given that most often when you are applying for international jobs or international project, your documents need to be followed up through email address. So you can also watch the tutorial. I will drop the link in the description button, the description below, so that you can also pick up the tutorial there. You watch this tutorial how to send and receive email, and merging it together in with this one on how to convert documents to PDF. You are 100% good to interact internationally and even nationally, because in most advanced countries, especially given the era of technology in which we found ourselves, everything is now managed electronically. Okay, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, follow Impact Fuse YouTube channel, because this is one of the most powerful YouTube channel where you can learn and grow without paying a thing. Okay, you can also support us by joining the membership, which is just $1 per month, and support us so that we can go more higher. Thank you. Let's move on to this tutorial. Introduction. options that are there, the different groups that are there. But we'll be coming back into our tutorials where we are going to be breaking more deep into Microsoft Microsoft Access and other Microsoft application tools. But it is not up to the already, so I'm just going to hit the enter key here. So now assume mind that this is your document. Let me just caption application. So now come back here to file again. After you save, you come back here to file again. Then now you click here on print. Okay, just click on print. This doesn't mean that there is any printer connected to your computer for now. Okay, even if it's a printer, so you always come here on this section here where you have this one. You have the print, which is the printer. So click here. You have other printers that are installed on this computer. Always one thing so now just so now even if you want to print out this just Microsoft Paint to is going to come, and you see that this is a non-editable file. Okay, we cannot do anything there like editing. So, and now we can send it to any person that we want to send it to. So that is just a technique on how to convert a document from Microsoft Word to PDF, and so that we can send it. So I believe that as well, we are not still going to face any issue of how can I send the document, how should I convert the document and send it to PDF. So we just know this technology from our own system. So if you like this video, please like to share, comment, and drop a comment or drop a comment on the notification so that also have a button we are going to be able to share it. And this is also going to take the constant just to take the information to convert it from the so if you are going to do something, why not just take the number as you join the membership channel so that you can learn how to do subscribe to our channel.